Hello everyone. So I'm back like the Renegade Master, and I've started putting in the all studs. For those who are not in the know, that means the uprights that go in between the two layers of wall, and that gives you the thing that you can nail your sheets onto. So I've got one more left to do here, and to make things easier I made a tool. Well, in fact I made two tools. I made this one, and then I got another one of them, and I nailed another bit of wood on top of it. And what they are for is a placeholder for the upright plank to go. So what I will do is, as you can see, each one I've marked it out with a nail to be 24 inches. And what you do is, a lot of it's eyeballing. Yeah, about there. Pop a nail in. Okay, that's not going anywhere. Pick up that one. Put my trusty pedestal that I've had to put an extra little bit on because it was too short, and I'm lazy when I play this. I sit down. Now this one works is, it does the same as the bottom one, but you need it to, I could have done it that way I suppose, but no, because the plank would never reach. So what I needed to do was have it hang upside down, so that's why I put that bit on, so it acts as like a hook, and you slip it on like that. Get it lined up, give it a little knock with a hammer just to make sure it's in place. Oh, I did not want a big nail, but okay. Alrighty, so that's the bottom one and the top one all in place. That bothered me. Even though it's virtual, I'm still worried that things are going to fall over and I'm going to hurt myself. I forget that it's not real. Which I suppose is the idea of VR. Then what we do is we pop that in there. Put that in, and now it can't go side to side, and we got that bit there and the same on the bottom one, so it can butt up against it. And what we do is give it a knock, and it's there. And oh, I've run out of little nails, I just remembered. So we put that one in there, and what I'm actually going to do is take that nail back out in a second, so that one can come off, because I want the nail to go through the side. Because these nails do actually have a tiny bit of distance on them, and that affects things. So in a moment I shall go round and I shall take out these nails that are there, because they are just there as visual markers, so they don't need to be there anymore. But there we go. Oh, take that nail out as well. And there we go. One more, and all the things are straight and they're all in line, and that's good, because that means that when I put the sheets on, they will sit a lot flatter. So there we go. Same bat time, same bat channel. See you around, woodworking fans. Bye.